In this video, we will discuss about Canva Free, Canva Pro and Canva Team and choose which one is right for you. Canva Free is a perfect for beginners or casual users, offering basic design tools, templates and limited access to stock, image and graphics. It's great if you need simple projects like social media post or invitation. While talking about Canva Pro is a deal for freelancers or small business, providing unlimited access to premium templates, images, and advanced features like background remover, brand kits, and the ability to resize designs. Again, talking about Canva Teams, it is best for collaborative work, offering everything in Pro plus team management features, shared templates, and workflows, making it perfect for business or larger teams working on design projects together. As you can see, Canva Teams is quite expensive than Canva Free and Canva Pro. So choose wisely. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.